what is up, guys? Welcome back to RaceCon Network. Today, as you can see by the title of the video, we're gonna go out and be doing some rips in the Camaro SS. I'm gonna do some point of view driving with it on my head. But I also have a serious question I want to ask you guys. I wanted to put this out on YouTube to see what you guys thought initially, and then I'm gonna decide. So I want to add more power to the Camaro, right? And I've been debating getting heads cam from GPI, stage 4 cam, which would be super OC, like chopping like crazy and like loud as hell and rowdy as shit and fast. It'd probably put me at like 580 wheel is what I'm guessing. Or should I Procharge the car? I'm at like I'm trying to figure out what I want to do, because I know with a Procharger there's more I can do with it, you know what I mean? Because there's boost. So like if I heads cam, that's kind of like all I can do. Especially if I want to go boost later. I can't, because, well, I can technically, but the GPI stage 4 is a naturally aspirated cam. It's not made for boosted cars. So if I ever wanted to boost the car, I'd have to change the cam out, which would kind of defeat the purpose and waste money. So what I'm trying to debate is, should I Procharge the Camaro and then put like a little baby race cam in there, or boosted cam, whatever, or should I go heads cam on the Camaro? I want to know what you guys want to see. The boost, probably I could run low 10s is what I'm guessing. Same with the heads cam. A lot of my boys run low 10s on heads cam. So I just want your guys' opinion on that. But enjoy the video. We're gonna go out and do some point of views driving. I do need to go to the freaking car wash because my car is absolutely filthy. It rained. There was like a hurricane that came through that hit Florida and then came up the coast. But like, it's just embarrassing. Look at this. Oh no. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna go wash this car in the video as well, but enjoy the video, guys. All right, guys, so I'm heading to the E85 station right now. I'm gonna go pick up some E, obviously, and then I'm gonna put you guys on my head and we're gonna get right to it. Oh, thank God I didn't scrape. Sheesh. All right, what's good, guys? I'm trying out this super view on the GoPro. Damn, that's things. This is the way to do it right here. All right, guys, so basically I'm just showing you kind of a point of view of driving this thing. Shit, they got out of my way. So guys, what I was saying in the title of the video, or in the beginning of the video, not the title, obviously you see it in the title, should I go heads cam or should I go Procharged? So that's the thing that I'm trying to figure out. I don't know what I want to do. I know the Procharger sounds fucking sick, and so does the heads cam, but I know the Procharger sounds sick. I know people have done better times with the heads cam, but they also haven't had the mods that I have for the Procharger. God, that shit sounds crazy. They also haven't done the mods that I have to this car already, so I know that whatever I do on this car, the heads cam or the boost, a Procharge, either way, it's gonna be extremely better. Like, the parts that I've put onto this car, is what I'm trying to say, are all gonna complement either boost or the heads cam. So please let me know what you guys want to see. You want to see a Procharge, or do you want to see heads cam? This thing will be chopping like a motherfucker. Heads cam's a little cheaper for me. I'm kind of leaning towards heads cam, just because I'm going to install it and show you guys kind of like the whole process. All right, let me get to a we're in Mexico. I just want to find a straight spot for you guys in Mexico. There's a little bit of traffic, so we're gonna get right back to you right. Woo! God damn, I laid some tires down there. Let me get this a little lower for you guys. Oh shit! Yeah, I laid some rubber there for sure. So surprisingly, I'm a little surprised that I'm not hooking that well right now, because it's decently well. It's only 65. Yeah, I'm not that surprised. But let's do a little launch at this light here. I'm laying what's it called, stripes down every time I launch on this thing. I need to do a fat burnout to warm these tires up. They are not hooking like they should be. They're also a little pumped up than they would be normally if I was at like a track or something, so that's also a reason. But I hope you guys just are getting the gist of this car. I just want a little more. I love this car. It's fucking great, fun, fast, everything. But I just want a little bit more oomph to it. So Procharged's gonna add like 160 horsepower. Heads cam's gonna add like 160 horsepower. So I just want your guys' opinion of what do you think you want to see on this channel. Because I'm gonna do that this winter. I'm gonna install one of the two. So please let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I know it was kind of a short clip, but I just wanted to get it out there. Should I go Procharged or should I go heads cam? That's the question of the day. Please drop a comment down into the description below and let me know what you guys think. Please smash the sub if you guys are new to this channel. Please hit a like on the video. I appreciate all the support from every single one of you. I will see you guys next video. I'll give you one more rip right here. You know, if you insist. Puts a smile on my face. You see, guys, it gets the fuck, but I want some more juice. You know, you can never get enough juice. So I'll see you guys next video. Peace.